Eat more food connoisseur. Welcome to my foodie adventures. I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about the restaurant and the food I will be reviewing. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride, baby. Hey, foodie fam. How y'all doing today? Today we ordered from the spot called That Breakfast Spot, located in Clementon, New Jersey. I got it via DoorDash. They just got here with the food. Thank you very much, my DoorDash driver. You always come out in the pinch. It's very amazing that you can be somewhere and go on the app and click, and your food is here. So today I got a bagel with bacon, eggs, and cheese. A plain bagel, beef bacon, egg, and cheese. You see it? So before I get involved in the food, I'm gonna ask you please to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share me out with everybody you know. So I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about this restaurant and the food I will be reviewing. That means I keep it 100. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride, baby. Let me introduce you to my foodie adventures. Please join me as I set the atmosphere of this gully right here. Let's eat. Couple more bites. I asked for the the egg to be runny, but as you see, it's not running. All right, we're gonna break it down to you, and if I recommend you go to this spot or not. All right. The bacon is nice and salty. The egg is nice and bland. Ain't nothing nice about being bland, though, if you feel me. The bagel is not giving me that bagel kind of vibe, if you feel me. See, I'm going to dissect this for you really quick. So, you see the egg right there is overcooked to what I asked for. The bagel looks like a bagel, doesn't feel like a bagel, the wrong kind of texture. It looked like they tried to make this in-house and didn't succeed. Maybe they did like a whole bunch of them and they sent me the dud. Sometimes the dud, the runt of the litter, is a superstar of the show, if you understand what I'm trying to say. But this time, it's not that kind of situation. The bagel has no flavor to it. It has no life to it. It's a pretty looking thing, yes, if it was just a roll. And that's what it looks like to me, just a roll disguised as a bagel. There's nothing screaming bagel that's coming from this sandwich right here. So I got some good bacon. I got some not so good egg that's not seasoning. I think they was hoping that the bacon, saltiness of the bacon would overtake and provide some service to the egg, but it's not. They're not coinciding with each other. They're not getting along with each other. The bacon is doing a star of its own, and the egg is screaming for attention. Yeah, the bacon give it some saltiness to it, but you actually have to season your egg as well if you want them to mix in well with each other. I mean, you don't have to go overboard with it, but you got to give it some kind of loving. You know what I'm saying? So that right there, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it a 4. Do I suggest you go to these people? I'm going to go back and try some other stuff on the menu. This sandwich was called the Brave. They have different themed sandwiches there. The one that says the Focus looks pretty interesting, so I would definitely holler back out at them and order that one. But for this one right here, the ball was definitely dropped. Que sera, sera. In the foodie game, you got the good, you got the bad, and you got the ugly. Today, halfway out the trash, baby. You know my grade, 1 to 10. 1 to 3 was plain old trash. So 4 needs some improvement, very much so. Oh well, it is what it is. Not expecting to have these magical moments every time. You win some, you lose some. All right, y'all. Thank you for taking time out to watch the video. I'm going to ask you, please subscribe to my channel and like the video and share me out with everybody you know. Stay blessed, be safe, and you will see me very soon again on my next review. Remember, every day you get to open your eyes up, you get to take that breath. It's a gift from God, baby. And to the next one. Eat more, food connoisseur. I'm out, baby.